by filth. This is not 20 minutes from where we're sitting now, is where the conditions under which people are living. So this brings me to the issue of inequality. Now, I'm afraid I'm going to repeat some of the stuff that David has said. This slide I made a few years ago, it comes from the presidency. It shows you in the blue and green bars the income of the richest 10 and 20% of South Africans. And if you use a telescope from the back there, you'll see two little brownish dots at the bottom. That's the income of the poorest 10 and 20% of the country. This gap is a time bomb. You know, nothing is going to work unless we close this gap. Nothing. Everything will fall apart. And again, this is a recent study by Leibrand and others that shows you, if you look at this, shows you